Likee is a popular global original video creation and sharing platform, with thousands of stickers and music magic filters to help you make ideas come to life. Let's see how to install Likee on Android. First, we need to go to Google Play, so open Google Play. On the search above, write Likee. Now, tap on search. After you have found the app, just tap on install and wait. You have now installed Likee on your Android device. After the install is complete, just tap on open. Tap on the account from the top. You can log in or create an account with Google, Facebook, Instagram and other services. Let's log in with Google, so tap on the Google icon. If you have multiple accounts on Google, select the one you wish to use. Now you can edit your name and write the birthday. Also select the gender. After this, tap next. Now you can skip this step if you do not wish to discover your friends, or allow Likee to access your contacts. I'll skip. Now you can tap Start and use 10 recommendations from Likee. Your new account on Likee is ready. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.